Statement 34. Communicate your boundaries. As we're growing up, it's unlikely that anyone has taught us the skill of creating boundaries. It's something we develop internally as we go through life. The issue is we rarely voice these boundaries and establish our personal standards with others. This is how we end up frustrated and anxious in social situations. We're surrounded by people who don't understand the actions, tones, conversations that make us uncomfortable. So we live our lives in pained, frustrated silence. It's important to understand what you are and are not comfortable with. It's even more important for those around you to know and understand what those personal standards are. Creating boundaries allows you to be in control of your mood and protect and honor your energy. When you make your boundaries known, anyone who does not respect them is not respecting you. And you need to let that be known. And you need to let them know that. When you need to say no, say no. When you need time for yourself, take time for yourself. If you can't stand to be yelled at, don't allow it. Be firm in what you need to be comfortable. Be confident in the actions you're taking to care for yourself. Don't allow others to put you in tense or stressful situations with no resolution. You are in control of how you feel in any situation when you know and voice your boundaries.